I'm Jack Harrison. I work for Asletts and we are a decorating firm. So it's really beneficial having apprentices so we can train them up, we can get them working how the rest of the team works. And after the apprentices are done, they become like full-time employees, adding to the team. How we find apprentices is we usually contacted by the local colleges, or we headhunt. We'll go to the local colleges asking if they have any that they recommend for us. The kind of qualities we're looking for in apprentices is punctuality, showing up on time, wanting to learn, ideally. You don't have to be the best, but you need to try your best. Apprentices are pretty much employed in all areas. Anything on site they can get their hands on, whether it's a brush, rubbing down, sandpaper, anything they can, just to practice any skills that they've learned in college and want to develop further. I think you should do an apprenticeship because instead of sitting in a classroom, you're out in the industry, you're earning money, you're learning skills, and you're developing your future.